Teething can be a challenging time for both babies and parents. Home remedies offer comfort and relief. First, a cold washcloth can be soothing. Simply wet a clean cloth, chill it in the fridge, and let the baby chew on it. During teething, babies produce more saliva, which can irritate the digestive system and loosen stools. Babies are more likely to pick up germs from objects they put in their mouths, which can increase their risk of mild stomach infections. To help prevent teething-related diarrhea, keep toys and teething rings clean and sanitized. Additionally, keeping the baby's mouth clean is essential. Wipe the gums with a soft cloth to prevent irritation. Next, consider teething rings. Look for ones made of safe materials that can be chilled for extra relief. Another effective remedy is massaging the gums. Gently rub the baby's gums with a clean finger to ease discomfort. Soaked raisin is also a natural option. Chewing soaked raisin can be offered to soothe irritability. Lastly, distraction can be helpful. Engage the baby with toys, songs, or gentle play to take their mind off the discomfort. These remedies can make the teething process smoother for everyone involved.